All-new 2022 Jeep Wagoneer. Capability. The original 4x4 SUV in 1963, the original Wagoneer turned the unpaved path into a destination for family and friends. In 2021, the all-new Wagoneer has returned, pairing its pioneering spirit with legendary available 4x4 capability. Interior. Wagoneer is a full-size, 3-row SUV that features available seating up to 8 passengers and the most overall passenger volume in its class. Plus, a power folding third row and dynamic storage options give you outstanding flexibility for all your gear. Exterior. Wagoneer reinterprets the classic style of its predecessor through modern design. Crafted with simple lines and arches, the exterior was built to offer an authentic look that remains true to its original spirit. Technology. State-of-the-art technology gives you and your passengers personalized control over the cabin. From a next-gen Uconnect system to front and rear screens, there's a wealth of standard and available technological innovation at your fingertips. Safety and security. Advanced safety and security features help you protect what matters most. Whether driving on open roads, busy highways or crowded city streets, Wagoneer uses intelligent technology to help keep everyone safe and secure.